Chew! Ew.
Hi, I'm Mandy from Handlebar Workshops. We're in the craft room workshop today. And today I'll be showing you an idea of how to store all those grocery bags that seem to multiply in your house like a jackrabbit in spring. It's a fairly simple idea that I don't take full credit for, but it is interesting and I wanted to share it with you. So, a lot of us have this sitting in our house, or they have a drawer. We have a drawer in our kitchen packed with grocery bags and shopping bags. Or you might be one of the lucky ones that has one of those fabric tubes you can hang on the wall and stuff all your bags in there, and then when you pull a bag out, a whole bunch more fall out too. So I saw some videos of people using Kleenex boxes. The problem with the Kleenex boxes is they eventually will start ripping and exploding and having issues with that crinkling, and you can't really make them real pretty and decorative. But it was a kind of good starting point for my idea. I came across this adorable little tissue box cover for the square tissue box dispensers. It didn't have a bottom, but I thought, hey, why not? Plus, as you can see in here in the craft room, it's a lot of steampunk stuff behind me and around me, and I wanted it to kind of blend in with all of the mayhem of this room. So it's a very simple how-to. You take your first bag and you shove it almost all the way in, leaving the handles out. You take your next bag and you're going to just put that through those two handles, fold it up, and then just shove that in until that bag's handles are sticking out. And you just keep going. Having a fun old time, tucking and shoving. Now when I was practicing this before the video, I was able to get about 50, 60 bags in this little box. And it doesn't matter, you could have a giant bag too. Doesn't matter the size of the bag. But you could do one of these for giant bags, one of these for grocery bags, one of these for t-shirt size bags. Whatever you happen to need and have. Alright. So, I think you get the idea for that one. So what happens is you have these little handles there. Now when you pull it out, you get your little bag, and your next bag is ready to go. When you need another bag, you do another bag, and the next one's ready to go. And then it's just ends up being a little bag dispenser for you. Other thing, you can use these, just in case you were curious. You shove that first bag into the Kleenex box, just like you did for this one, weaving your next bag through, and shoving that bag in. So you can do it with the cardboard ones, it's just they do tend to pull and rip. But then you can also take those nifty little wipey tubes. And in fact, this still has some wipes in them. With this though, you would not use that little grip right there. It would tear your bags. But I'm just going to shove that in there so I don't lose that. Again, you can just take your bag and just shove it in there. And when you have it in, take your next bag. Oh, I got a knot. There we go. Take your next bag, folding it through. You don't have to go very far through, just a little bit, and shoving that in until you just have your two little pull handles. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Have fun organizing your bags. Bye. you shove it almost all the way in. Shove that in and tucking and shoving. Doesn't matter the size of the bag. Shove that for shoving that bag in. Shove that in there. So shove it in there, shoving that in. And